Hey you guys, it's Erin NW back here with another video. So today I'm going to be coloring my hair. So hopping right into this video, you can see I do have like a little bit of color, you know, going on here. It grew out a lot and I didn't realize it until I put my hair up in a puff and I was like, whoa, my roots are literally like dark and my puff is colored. And I don't really like that look sometimes, most of the time. So that's why I was like, okay, it's time to color again. The last time I colored, last time I colored was in December also, like right before Christmas. I try not to color too frequently just because I don't feel like it, first of all. And then secondly, because, I don't know, I just like to space it out to keep my hair healthy. But the last time I used Red Hot Rhythm, this was 376 by Dark and Lovely. And I'll insert pictures here and here of how it looks, or how it looked when I first did it. And then you'll see throughout my videos, like in the past, how it faded and like what it looks like, I guess, now and how it got to now. But yeah, so this is the color I used last time. And this was the Dark and Lovely Fade Resist. But this time, I really didn't remember what color I used. But I'm using the same like color family basically. And this time I'm using the Spicy Red. And this is the Go Intense Spicy Red by Dark and Lovely again. So yeah, I have two boxes. Because last time I bought 3 boxes, but I only remember using 2, so I just bought 2. Hopefully it's the same amount of product because I didn't think about that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Yes, this is me from later in the video, but I just want to start this video off by saying that I am not a professional. I am not a licensed professional. I don't do this for a living. This is just what works for me. This is what I use. This is how I color my hair. So be advised, try at your own risk, okay? Don't take what I say as, you know, as law. Don't take it as principle. This is just what works for me and you'll see how it works for me. That's it, disclaimer. What you're gonna need for coloring or whatever is your box dyes. You're gonna need some gloves and of course a plastic cap to cure it. And then clips, combs, whatever you wanna use. And I also just put on like a shirt that I don't mind getting dirty. And I moved the rugs from out of here because last time I got color on the rugs. So that's what you need. And my hair is dirty, of course, because that's like the, this is from that wash and go from the last video. But my hair is dirty, of course, because you're supposed to do this on like dirty hair. Because apparently like the color goes in the best on dirty hair, I don't know. In the box, you have the Step 1 Anti-Drying Cream Gel Color. So this is the color, it's upside down. But this is the color. And then Step 2 is the Developer. And then Step 3 is the Extra Caring Conditioner. I'm gonna go ahead and combine these like the instructions say, and I'm gonna do that for the both boxes so that way I don't have to stop in between and I can just, you know, go from one container to the next. So I'll be back once I finish doing that. You can see I've already sectioned my hair, so yeah. And I forgot to mention on the instructions, they do include gloves. I just don't use them because they're like really flimsy, but they do include gloves if you don't have none at home. Okay, so I've got my gloves on, got my color ready, and I'm just gonna start applying it. And I do apply some to my lock, but you'll see how that works later on. I'm gonna start like, not at my scalp, but like at my scalp. I'm gonna start at my roots basically, not my scalp, because you don't wanna rub this in into your scalp. So I'm gonna start at my roots, working my way down, and I'm gonna do that throughout my entire head. Not gonna talk to this, just gonna let y'all watch. So yeah. Honestly, I find that it's easier for me to just put this in my hands and work it through. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm officially moving to the second bottle. I think I should have enough. Yes, I am finished applying it to pretty much all my hair, but I actually have quite a bit left. So I'm just gonna take the leftover remaining and make sure like the roots are really covered. I'm not too worried about like the shaft, I guess, or not the shaft, but the rest of my hair. But I'm just really concerned about the roots. So I'm just gonna make sure those are covered well. Just gonna take my comb and make sure like where I usually part it in the front, it's you know, my roots are covered well. Cause I don't want my roots to be looking crazy out here. All right, I'm done putting my plastic cap on to let this cure. So y'all can see I got like a little hole. That's why I got two, so that way. All right, I'm putting my second one on. Okay guys, so my color is on. I'm going to sit under the dryer. Okay, so the instructions don't say sit under the dryer. That's why I say be advised that I'm not a professional. This is just what works for me. But I'm gonna sit in the dryer. It says that you can leave this on for 30 minutes though. So I'm gonna sit it in the dryer for about 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna check it. If it's the color I want, I'm gonna rinse it off. If it's not, I'm gonna sit in the dryer for a little bit longer. Okay, you guys, so I didn't sit it in the dryer for the full 30 minutes because I was like getting stuff together before I sat in the dryer. So I think in total I have had this on for 30 minutes. That's what it's looking like. It honestly looks pretty good. It really does. I might let it sit for like, it looks good. But it's just like there was a piece, like a part of my roots where I feel like it could have been better. I'm not gonna sit it in the dryer no more because I don't wanna like do too much, but I am gonna let it sit for like 5 more minutes before I wash it out. Okay, you guys, so I rinsed it out. My hair looks kind of crazy because I rinsed it out in the sink because that's like a lot easier to clean than the shower. So pro tip, I guess, rinse your color out in the sink because that's so much easier to clean than the shower. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my conditioner. I usually only use like one. So I'm probably only gonna use one, but I'm a little out of breath. Oh yeah, so I shampooed my hair. You're not supposed to shampoo this, like the instructions say to just like rinse it basically, but I shampooed my hair because my scalp was really dirty. So I was like, I'm just gonna shampoo it, I'm gonna risk it. Just gonna apply this conditioner. My hair actually does not feel dry at all though, if anybody was wondering. It doesn't feel dry. It just feels like I just washed it. I'm just gonna put the conditioner on and then I'm going to comb it through my hair. I don't really feel like sectioning. That's probably not the best thing, but I just don't feel like it. Okay, so this conditioner is really not that moisturizing. Honestly, the conditioner is probably mostly for like sealing in the color, but I like a little moisture too. And the conditioner from the Fade Resist color that I used last time, that one was more moisturizing than this. This is not very moisturizing. My Extra Caring conditioner has been applied. combed it through my hair and everything. It's really not that moisturizing, which kind of sucks, because I'll be looking forward to the moisture after color. But I'm gonna just leave this on 35 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse this out in the shower, and then I'm gonna style my hair, and I'll be back once my hair is dry. Okay guys, so these are my finished results of the color. Of course, my hair has not been styled, but yeah, this is just how it looks when it's dry after the color and everything. And I trimmed my hair as well. But if you made it to this point in the video, please be sure to leave a red apple down below. Just to let me know that you made it to this point and you'd watch through the whole video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.